Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a football collage using Canva. So add in your pictures first. I'm just going to add a text box. You can make it say anything you want. I'm just going to type in senior. And I'm also going to make it a little bit bigger than that, like this big maybe. And then I'm just going to use this font. You can use, again, any font that you'd like. And I'm just going to remove the O and add like maybe spacing there. And then I'm just going to find football helmet in elements in graphics. And I'm just going to use this as like the O. Okay, maybe add in just a tad bit spacing. Just a little bit so we can fit the O there. Like so. And I'm just going to bring it to this page. Now I'm just going to group this and I'm just going to adjust the transparency so we can see the image later. I'm just going to type in American football again and I'm just going to add in some pictures to each letter. You'll see later how it looks. Let's say this one. Just going to make it smaller. If you want, you can just send it to back and see what it looks like, but it's a little bit hard to move if I'm being honest here. So I'm just gonna wing it so the tutorial isn't super long. Okay, and then for the eye, let's do this. I don't know. And then for the O, let's do like a team sort of moment. And then for the R, let's do this. I don't know. Actually, let's do like this. Okay, now that's done. What you're going to do is you're going to save this first. So I'm just going to remove the text first and then save that. Like this. Then I'm just going to paste this back again and I'm just going to adjust the transparency, remove all the pictures, and then download that. Okay, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to delete that and you're going to put those pictures in here again. Okay, so put this behind and make sure you scale it the same. And then here, we're going to go to the blend image. So for the bottom layer, use this and then you select an image. And then for the top, use this, so you select image. Then you're going to go back here and you're going to add to design. Oops. Hello. Then if you want to, you can select background remover or something like that. That really needs to stop doing that. Oops. Delete. Then select this, go to edit. And then go to the shadows, select outline, and you're going to create kind of like sort of an outline here and color it white. And that's it. If you want to have more pictures, you can, but obviously it's going to take me so long to add in like a collage of pictures of like random people. But obviously, this is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.